Ayan, good morning mga shots. Ay, kumusta yung ating mukha? Morning. Anyway mga shots, kain tayo. Excited yung aking breakfast today dahil mayroon tayong iraid. Iraid for breakfast with hot coffee. Ay, excited naman ako sa akin. Anak, careful na. Excited naman ako sa aking breaky. Look at this. At this one. It's so yummy. In-order namin to sa aming kapitbahay. Yung kaibigan niya gumagawa ng iraid. Ngayon, sabi ko maka-order nga kasi matagal-tagal na rin ako hindi nakakain ng iraid. So, kain tayo mga shots. Kulang alam kung maganda ba yung ating mukha dito. So, ayun na mga shots. Titikman natin. I think meron to siyang 10 piraso. Tapos, 165 yung 10 piraso. Oh. Nakakamiss yung amoy ng iraid. Ay! Yung order ko with bukayo. Asan yung bukayo? Mali pala, walang bukayo. Akala ko mayroon. Ah. Mm. Mm. Anak! Mm. Ang sarap. Tingnan natin kung kakain si Ayana. Aray! Mainit. Mainit yung aking kape. Tara. Ayana, try it. Try this one? No, this one. This one, anak. Don't get a new one. Yung patipiin ko, nag-aabang pa sa akin. Kagabi pa yan siya. Nak, look at this one. Yeah. No? Ayaw niya yata. Ako yung kakain. Nanmit ko kasi yung kanyang pinapanood eh. Kumuha lang isang piraso. Make sure you're gonna eat that one, okay? Eat it. Okay? You like it? Mm. Yummy? Is it yummy? Yum yum? Mm? Ba't may paganyang facial expression? Let me open for you. Come open, mommy. Mm. 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 Yeah, here. Okay. First bite. Eat it. Do you like it? That's yummy, anak. It's a cassava thingy. No? Sarap po yan, anak. No? Yummy. Is it yummy? Kain na nga ako sa'yo, nak. Nabibitin ako sa aking pagkain, nak. Wait lang, kakain mo si mami, nak, ha? No, no, baby. Ayana, no. Oh, tapos mo na. Ugoy, ugoy. What's You're showing how strong you are? Oh, show them. Show them how strong you are. Oh, no pressing. Huh? No, baby. You might press the wrong button, baby Anna. Oh, show them how strong you are again. Show them. Come on. Show me. Ay, enough. One press is enough, anak. Ayan na. Baby. Mama, we're gonna remove the battery. Come here. Gusto niyang buksan. Up! Samok man yung bata ah. Ako nandyan na naman. Kakalat na naman tong batang ito. Wala na naman. Pornado na naman yung ating ano. Meron pa kong tinutupi dito. Nandoon pa sa sala yung kaninang umaga. O, nag-uumpisa na naman tong batang ito. Kung hindi ka lang talaga cute, kasarap mong mamalo. Ayan na. What? That's a mirror, anak. You want me to open it? Oh, look at yourself. Show. Is that you? Is it pretty? Open it. Open. Come on, open. Ay, ayaw mo na. Ay, naku, nak. Magtatrabaho ako, nak. Kala mo naman, totoo. Oh, broom, broom. That's a car. That's yung mga calling card natin, anak. Di naman natin magamit yan. Should I throw it away na? Yeah? Go there, go daddy watch TV. Come on, go daddy watch TV na lang. Come here. Oh, come here, go there. Come na. Go daddy. Love, love, love daddy. Oh, go watch your vlog yesterday. When we went to the park. Go daddy. Watch with daddy. Come, dali. Yeah, pretty. Okay. Oh, show them how strong you are. Show them. Where? Show them. Show them how strong you are. May paganyan-ganyan ka pa. Huh? What is that? Go there na, anak. Kay mama is busy, anak. Mommy is busy. I have lots of clothes to fold, oh. Ang dami nito, oh. Meron pa sa sa sala, oh. Sana all talaga. Go there. Mommy will fold. Oh, daddy. Oh, daddy's cleaning. Say good job, daddy. Oh, daddy, good job, daddy. Go there. Love, love, daddy. Oh, puno, no. Dal ka na naman. Bango naman ang damit natin, nak. Go there na, watch TV. Ay, mag-ano ako mamaya, nak. Parang uulan naman yata. Magbabayag sana ako. Pero parang hindi maganda ang panahon. Kasi nga, na-cancel yung school. Kasi sama yung panahon. Yeah. Yeah, that's a mirror, anak. Yan ako, anak. Anong pinagsasabi mo? May sarili kang lingwahe. Ha? Anong klaseng lingwahe yan? Nahirapan man ako mag-ano nito sa na to, madulas na chiffon. Chiffon ba ang tawag nito? Madulas itupi. Go there na, anak. Tupi muna tayo mga shots. Itong bata kung ano naiisip niyang galawin na. Oh, say hi. Say hi, Tata Shots. Say hi. Matapang ka na naman. Say hi. Flying kiss. Give them flying kiss. Yay. Good job. Say bye-bye to them. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, flying kiss. How about flying kiss? Yay. Good job. My baby girl. Bait po ito. Ganyan-ganyan ka pa, anak. Wala. Yeah. Wala tayong matatapos ito, anak, kung itong gagawin natin. Anyway, mga shots, tapusin ko na yung ginagawa ko dito, mga shots, kasi medyo madami-dami itong aking trabaho. Mayroon pa ako doon sa sala na tupiin kagabi. Hindi ko natapos yun eh. So, see you na lang later, mga shots. Magligpit muna tayo ng aking mini garden. Tinanggalan ko na to ng lupa kanina. Kasi kanina, napuno yan dyan ng lupa dahil ang daming daga. Tapos dito naman, yung aking mga halaman dito. Inano din to ng mga daga. Itong daga na to, nakakainis naman to. Daming daga. Ay nako, magtrabaho nga muna ako mga syas. Hindi pa ako natapos dun sa ano. Ako natapos sa aking pinagtutupi. Dahil ang batang ito nahulog. Black eye na naman nung inabot. Ayan na no. Galing si daddy mo. Linis muna tayo ng ating mga kalat dito. Monty, can you move, Monty? Wala ka namang naitulong. Wala ka mang ambag dito, Monty. Alis ka dyan. Magkaano daw ako mag-cycling. Yun pala. Anak, umulan naman. Bastos. Okay, let me turn on the light. I will show you something. Bibiana's outfit. Let me see Bibiana's outfit. Let me see. Oh, look at me here, anak. Look at John. Look at me here. Are you Madam Auring? Look at mommy. Put your sunglasses on. Wow, sana all. Anong trip mo? Si Malya ka na rin? Kung ano-anong pinaglalagay sa katawan? Look at me here. Madam, where are you going? Huh? Where are we going? We're going to the shopping? We go to SM and shop? Oh, careful. There you go. Pretty. Sana all. Sana all ang bata.
Big lecture. Oh, people can open the thing and you're keeping it. Last night I saw it kept this over here.
No, I put it down. I put it down when I go to sleep.
You didn't put it down. Okay,
I did,
put it over
babe.
there. It fell down and went
Why you
down.
argue with me?
Yeah, because you're lying.
Oh, am I a liar?
Yeah, last night it was left over here. Okay, when I came in the morning,
Yeah.
okay, it was lying over here.
Then?
Alright, I put it over here by mistake. This fell down. Okay, the cap and everything was down.
Okay.
Don't leave it over here.
I know. I give the thief access to our beautiful house.
Yeah, take all the garbage and go, please.
Oh, what happened to your anak? What happened to my madam? Anak, can you give me that one, anak?
That book.
Yeah, the book is very important, anak. That's for the doctor quack quack tomorrow. We're going to the doctor tomorrow. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Come here.
Mommy, give to mommy.
Oh, daddy, can you keep it, daddy? Put in the room, daddy. Tomorrow we'll go to the doctor.
August 21, next.
August 21? Oh, it's not yet. What's the next appointment?
August 21.
What's now?
Hey, today's 27, base. What's the date today?
Gusto mo rin magpa-video, Monte? Monte.
26 today.
She won't. 6. It's okay. I'll go there. Baby, look at that now. She is going to take off the sunglasses. Anak, anong trip mo ngayong araw? What you want me to? Which one you like? Which one you like? Okay. Bago na yung isip niya. You want wheels on the bus? The wheels on the bus go round and round. Bye-bye, daddy. Go to work, daddy. Babe, your t-shirt, it doesn't look good, babe. It's loose.
Okay, you good.
Oh, no. It doesn't look... You look bigger. Yan na, baby. Ay, paano pa tayo makakaalis nito? I thought I'm vlogging. It's not. Okay, alis na yung aking bossing. Magtatrabaho na. Ayan na, are you okay, anak? Tingnan natin yung ano. See? She got the bruise now, babe. I can see it here. You want me to take that off now, nak? It doesn't work with the bruise, babe. Once it's bruised, it's bruised. Nahulog kasi itong batang ito kanina. Ewan ko paano nahulog. Ang daddy nagbantay.
put some this one ice so swelling will go down.
It's not swelling, it's just a bruise. Nagbantay ang daddy. Ewan kong ginawa.
That one.
Which one?
That flower. So I was cleaning it was all wet.
Then how did she fell?
It was wet, the floor.
Then?
So I cleaned the water and went to squeeze the towel to dry the towel. That time I think she fell.
Okay. Mukhang pornada yung ating lakad mga shots. Hindi muna ako mag-ano ngayon. Hindi muna ako mag-jogging. Mag-bike. Kasi umuulan sa labas. So baka bukas na lang tayo ulit mag-bike. Ito pilit pala to siya mga shots. Magbiko ako one day. So dito na lang natin yung i-end yung ating vlog. Maraming salamat sa aking mga subscribers, supporters, and ayun, followers. Salamat sa inyong suporta mga shots. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye nak. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to them. Walang bye-bye. Seryoso nga si anak ko.